Hello Gina, my name is Nasos Georgalis and I work with Epilysis Solutions in Charlotte, and we are a marketing agency. As I told you over the phone, we are working with landscaping material companies all over the country, and I was doing some research in your area and I came across your website. I figured I'd give you guys this quick little video to give you 3 tips on how you can beat out your competition online. I'll show you some of the things I can see that's working well for you and your competition. So I don't want to waste more of your time, and I don't want to waste my time either. So if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how Epilysis Solutions can grow your business and help bring on new customers, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them for your company and see how they work out for you. Only thing I'm asking from you is to give me some feedback on this video once you're done. So let's get started. The 3 different topics that I'm going to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. The pictures are saved with a name, so that is also considered to be content that is readable by the search engines. For instance, here, if we go and we click on to save the picture as, it has a name and it's properly done. It has everything that needs here, the name of the company, location, or what it shows, everything. So that's what I was talking about. Content in our front page should be typically around 1500 words, and although this might sound a bit wordy, it is what your front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your service. So the first tip that I want to give you is that you have to make sure that you have more relevant keyword-rich content that's unique on your front page, so that the search engines can help get your company ranked as high as possible. Unfortunately, content is something that web designers overlook, but as I said earlier, a website needs nice and unique content that includes keywords in order to rank higher. And you have a beautiful website that with a little bit of more content in the first page would be even better. So the second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. And if I go here in Google and we do a search about landscaping in Myrtle Beach, the first thing that you're going to see usually are some ads over here. You don't see them here, so it means that nobody has placed ads between the query and the map. So we are moving directly to the map and the map section, and in order for you to get in there, this has to do a lot with citations. Naturally, you will ask yourself, what are citations and how do I get them, right? Well, a citation is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. And a good way to describe what a directory is, for example, Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp or any of those online sources or websites that give business owners the opportunity to list their business information and to provide them with another way of attracting new customers. So what would be tip number 2 is that just as with citations, in order for us to beat out your competition, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is listed in, and then you want to try to get in those same directories because if it works for them, it's going to work for you. In the map section, you are down here, probably something around 15th position. We need to be in the first, ideally in the first 3, and if not at least in the first 5-6 positions. Anyway, and you know something, Gina, you don't want to just stop there. In order for you to really beat out your competition, you need to make sure that you're doing what they're doing, and then adding a little bit more. So that's kind of what matters most, how to rank here in the maps. Now, the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks, and the backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps over here. And basically what a backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your page. And so that could be, for instance, a local news company that did a story on you, and then they link the story back to your website to give the readers an opportunity to go check out your business online and to possibly book services with you. So using a tool that I have, and it's called Ahrefs, we get a good idea of what's working well for you and what's not. For this tool, our agency pays around $800 a month, and it does a lot of things for us. It's not 100% accurate, but this tool basically shows us that you have 36 referring domains that giving you 1,300 backlinks. And if you go in there, you will see that a lot of these are business directories like Yellow Pages and local Yahoo info. So in order to truly beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you're getting in as many places as your competition is in, and then get into some places that they are not, so that you are completely overtaking them. It's just like with citations, with the backlinks, you want to make sure that you are in more places. But that's giving you 176 keywords that I can see. It's bringing you approximately 200 people on average on your website each month. Now, like I said, this isn't 100% accurate, but it does give us an idea of what's working for you. Currently, the most accurate and most up-to-date information is going to come directly from your Google Analytics, if you have that set up correctly. But what I can tell from here is that I get an idea of where your traffic's coming from. If we take a look at some of your competition, you can see over here, Beach Landscaping. This guy's got 34 referring domains, giving him over 1,400 backlinks, and he's getting found for 543 keywords as opposed to 176 with you. And there are on average 219 people. It's not that big of a difference, but you see what's the traffic value here. And if we see the organic keywords that he ranks, and we see the number one positions that he's in, so Beach Landscaping, Myrtle Beach, okay. Landscaping in Myrtle Beach, he's number one. Myrtle Beach trees, beach landscaping, Myrtle Beach, landscaping, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So he ranks in a lot of places for the number one, number two spot. Well, if we go to yours, we are ranking high to those instances that have to do with our name, but then our position when it comes to, we have garden center that we are ranking, nurseries in Myrtle Beach, we are 6, 7, palm trees for sale. We are still on the first page, but I feel that there is more that can be done for you to be higher and impact your business. So if we go to your competition, and we can start pick apart from his keywords and see which keywords that are relevant to you and which ones you would like to go after, and add them to your website. And it looks like this guy is doing, as I told you, a lot of the beach landscaping and these kind of keywords that he's ranking. So in order for you to beat them, like I said, you just gotta get in more places than your competition to be on top of them. And so that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how Epilysis Solutions can help grow your business and bring you guys some more new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you. And just if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on this video. Thank you so much for your time, and hope to talk to each other soon. Bye-bye.